A VSG week 1 edition. I am on full liquids. So what that is looking like, actually let me back up. We are traveling. So I had surgery 8 days ago and we have a soccer tournament 3.5 hours away from home. And my daughter is going to be done playing after this year and there was no way I was missing her games. I'm a little sore, I'm a little tired, but we're pushing through and doing this. So not only is this what I eat in a day, but it is completely on the go. So of course, we're at the tournament. I'm getting ready to go watch my daughter play. Rain, rain, rain. It's raining. Delightful. Lovely. Just what I needed. Thanks. Thanks, world. Ugh. It's like 80 minutes, y'all. Ugh. What we do for our kids. It is only 50 degrees though, so not too bad temperature wise. So anyways, come along with me today and I will share what I'm eating day 8 and on the go. So, woke up this morning, let me back up. I packed stuff to bring with me. So I will show you a little clip here of everything that I packed. Packing for our weekend on the go so that I can stay on track. I am taking morning coffee stuff. So this Perfect Keto MCT oil powder also has 10 grams of collagen, so 10 grams of protein. I do a scoop of this collagen, which is another 10, plus some of this in decaf coffee, and there is 20 grams. I am taking Gene Pro, which I add to soup, so I can add to coffee. It's 30 grams of protein. I'm only counting it as 20 though, because I know there's been some dispute and some lawsuits over this. So anyways, this is my backup. This bone broth is a Thai curry flavor and it has 10 grams of protein. I take some hot tea because I enjoy the warm better than cold right now. And then I'm taking this Ultima. It's an electrolyte replacement. It has 0 carbs, and this is it mixed into a water bottle. I'll try and have one of those a day. So this is what I'm taking to help keep me on track, and I put everything in here along with my family snacks. I have a regular water bottle, which I'm pouring into this. It's easier for me to sip out of this cup and not like take too much at a time. So I pour my waters in this. So I'll have water, and then I will have one electrolyte drink, which is called Ultima Grape. So I wake up this morning, guess what? I individually in Ziploc, little mini Ziplocs, packaged my protein powders and my collagen and MCT oil patterns. So I go to make my coffee this morning. I brought the Gene Pro, the protein, didn't bring the collagen, didn't bring the MCT powder. I guess it's in the kitchen. Ugh. So I decided I would put my Gene Pro, which is 30 grams of protein, into my coffee this morning. So I had a decaf coffee with, I got this at the gas station because it said it would keep my coffee hot for 4 hours. Lies. Lies, sheets. It was cold after an hour. I mean, I don't mind drinking cold iced coffee, but that in between, not my favorite. I really prefer warm. That's why I bought you for $14 freaking dollars. Alright, rant over. So, I put my Gene Pro in this. I put my Nut Pod peppermint mocha creamer, and I juiced it up with my, thank Erica. With my little frother, my portable frother, and it was fine. It wasn't quite as tasty as the collagen one that I make, but it was fine. I drank it, so drank all of that. It did take me longer than an hour to get it down, and I was less than happy that it didn't stay warm. So we had some time to kill, and we passed a vitamin shop. So I went in, and they didn't have exactly what I like. My favorite MCT oil is the Perfect Keto brand, but this one here had really clean ingredients also. It just has the MCTs and also has acacia gum. Now, the difference being, this one does not have any collagen in it, so there's no protein in this, just the MCT oil powder. So I don't know, maybe this wasn't the best buy. I'll have to, I don't know, I'll add this tomorrow morning to my decaf. And then I also got some collagen. I'm dropping it. Alright. So then I got this Bulletproof brand. Also haven't used this brand before, but I know it's pretty reputable. Okay, I can't talk today. Reputable. Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get. So I got this Bulletproof because it's reputable collagen protein powder, and this has 25 grams of protein, oh shoot, this is going back, 9 carbs and only 1 fiber. How is that? How is this keto? This is a keto brand Bulletproof. What? It's not cheap either. So it does have the protein, but 2 scoops is 9 grams of carbs. That's going back. All right, so Vitamin Shop was a bust. Obviously I didn't look and read well enough. I usually do much better than that. So I'll probably take those back because, I mean, I spent like $90 on this haul of just a few things. I also did get a Keto Protein Vanilla Bone Broth Protein, and this has 15 grams of protein, 2 carbs. So I could put this in my coffee tomorrow possibly. I don't know. The Gene Pro worked pretty well, so I'll probably just go with that because then I'll be home the next day. What else did we get? Might as well show you the Vitamin Shop haul. Bang Energy, not for me, that's for my husband. He loves them. Also, I got a few seasonal Quest bars and things like that that I won't be able to have for a long time, but they won't be here anymore. So the lady at the store said these were amazing, the On Protein Cake Bites. So I thought, oh my gosh, what was I doing, y'all? I'd heard they were really good, but 26 carbs for this whole packet. This will be going to my daughter. Y'all, my brain must not be back after surgery yet. Another Bang. He then got a little small Bang shot. I guess he's feeling low energy, y'all. And then I got these peppermint bark Quest. Let's see, is this something I can have later down the road? 14 fiber, 4 erythritol, and 22 carbs. So yeah, because I would probably only have half a bar this way, half a bar. And I've heard good things about this peppermint bark one, and I love me some peppermint. So, all right, so this was a good buy. This was a good buy. Everything else, either going back or going to the kids. Wow. Oh my goodness, Erica. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go brave this weather and watch my girl play some soccer. Wish me luck. I love watching my girl, not loving the weather. All right, we just got back from their game. Look at what this player did to my daughter. She literally scratched her neck and made it bleed. We're gonna chill here at the hotel for a while, and I will check back in with y'all at dinner. We're at dinner at Bangkok 54. It is a really, really yummy Thai place here, and I am gonna have some tom yum, just the broth, and then I'm gonna add this Gene Pro to it, so I'll get 30 grams of protein in my broth. Y'all, it is our evening snack. We're in Raleigh for a soccer tournament, like I told you, and Good Berries is the best frozen custard ever. When I was pregnant and living here, I had it probably like twice a week, but apparently they have sugar-free. So I got a little mini. I will only be able to eat a few bites probably, but this is sugar-free vanilla custard. Figure if I'm allowed to have pudding, this is the same consistency, so I'm not planning on having this regularly. Obviously we're here and it's a treat, but I am wanting to let y'all know that I am having it. Good Berries, if you're ever in Raleigh, must have. Sugar-free. All right, I just realized when I was editing, I forgot to do an outro, like totally. And then I also forgot to show y'all what I ate in the middle of the day. So this is it, my iconic protein. These have 20 grams of protein. I had one of these, but I thought I had everything lined up well, but I got caught up in watching the game. I should have been drinking this while I was watching the game. So we got back to the hotel and it was 4:30 and I hadn't had anything other than water and Altima electrolyte since my breakfast. Now granted, breakfast lasted almost 2 hours, from 9:30 to 11:30 to drink that coffee, and then her game was at 1:30, and I totally forgot to start drinking my shake. So 4:30 I'm drinking this. So when we got to the restaurant at 7:30, I still like didn't want it, but I knew I needed to get that protein in, and it was a little harder than normal to eat that soup. I did not finish all of it. I tried, but I just couldn't. So when we got back to the hotel, I did have one of my little protein jellos. I've showed y'all those previously. It's just a little 2-ounce cup of protein jello that I had made, jello pudding, and it has 5 grams of protein. So I did eat one of those so that my protein total still ended up being okay for the day. But it was a little harder than I envisioned doing this eating on the go when it's like, you know, it's our full-time job right now to get in fluids. So if you miss a period of time, it's almost impossible to get back on track because we sip so freaking slowly, right? That was Saturday that I did this, what I eat in a day for y'all. So Sunday, I worked a lot harder on keeping everything on my timetable, and things did go smoother. So anyways, if you enjoyed this, I would love for you to hit the like button. Hitting that like button really does help me a lot with trying to get my channel shown, and I want to be able to help as many people as possible. So I would love if y'all would hit that like for me. If you enjoyed this video and you know people that are getting ready to have VSG or going through it, I'd love if you'd share it. And if you're new to me, hey, love to have you join our little community here in my little corner of YouTube. I would love it. Just hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you're notified when I make videos. I'm doing weekly weigh-in and updates on how my VSG, how I'm doing post-op VSG. I also have been and will continue to be doing keto cooking videos. I plan to be going fully keto again as soon as I get to the regular stages. So if you're interested, stick around and hit that subscribe, hit that like, please, please. Also, I'm on Instagram, and I'm Time to Shrink VSG on Instagram, and I'll link that here too. So I hope I see y'all in the future. I'd also love comments. When y'all comment, I'm able to interact with y'all more and get to know you more, and I love it. I respond to every single comment. At least I try my very hardest. All right. Bye, y'all. See you soon.